Hi all. I just had a 5-hour beautiful ceremony with Susan in this gorgeous environment. Her energy and the space she created was just so supportive for me to tap into my inner world. And it was a full-on journey through my past, my previous life. I have received amazing messages from my higher self, but also from my guardian angels, and I just felt really safe the whole time I was there, and the music was just so healing, and it's really difficult to make words out of this experience, but I definitely need time to integrate more. All I know right now is that I'm so grateful that I come here, and I feel like I have transformed some areas in my life, and I have more clarity on where I need to go next, what I need to do. I have definitely come to realize that some signs that have been showing up in my life need more attention, and definitely have more clarity in my head. So thank you, Susan. I'm really, really grateful for this and for you.